Bak Kut Teh Malaysian Herbal Pork Rib Soup. Ingredients: 700 grams pork belly, cut into bite-sized pieces. 700 grams spare ribs, cut into 5 cm pieces. 1 Malaysian Bak Kut Teh herb, 2 inner herb sachets, store-bought. 1 whole garlic. 4 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon Malaysian thick caramel soy sauce. 2.5 lt water. Salt, to taste. Enoki mushrooms, chop ends off. Fried beancurd sheets. Beancurd puffs. Shiitake mushrooms, soaked. Cos lettuce, torn or cut into big pieces. Coriander. Char kwai, tiao, Chinese doughnut. Fresh chilies, sliced. Soy sauce. Directions: prepare a pot of boiling water and blanch the pork belly and pork ribs for 5 minutes. Remove pork and discard the water. Fill pot with 2.5 lt water, allow it to boil over high heat. Add whole garlic and 2 inner sachets of store-bought Bak Kut Teh prepacked herbs. Bring to boil on high heat for 10 minutes. Once boiled, add in pre-blanched pork belly and pork ribs, soy sauce, Malaysian thick caramel soy sauce and let it boil on high heat for a further 10 minutes. Turn the heat down to low and allow to simmer for at least 1 hour. Taste test and add salt to your liking. Add in any of the following optional ingredients: enoki mushrooms, fried beancurd sheets, beancurd puffs and shiitake mushrooms into the pot. Let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Scoop Bak Kut Teh soup into a serving bowl, along with a few pieces of each ingredient. Top with some cos lettuce pieces and coriander and it is ready to be served with a bowl of steamed rice. Bak Kut Teh is typically served with a side of Chinese doughnuts that are cut up. The Chinese doughnuts are then dipped into the piping hot soup for a couple of seconds and then consumed immediately. Chopped fresh garlic and sliced red chilies are also served in a small saucer with some thick caramel soy sauce and soy sauce.